Today, a simple breakfast toast. Breakfast, a very important meal for the day. And today we're gonna see a simple but delicious different varieties of toast. One with spinach, some with shrimps, and some chorizo. It's very super versatile. You can assemble with literally anything available in your chiller. Hi, I'm Prasanna, a chef by profession, work with some great chefs for past 16 years and learning the craft. Here in YouTube, I'm trying to share my experience, recipes and knowledge with you. In this channel, you can expect how a proper restaurant dish can be cooked at your convenience at home. Please join me as I'm excited to share my story with my family to you. Please support and join the journey. Hi, welcome back. Today I was just thinking what we can do to make breakfast or brunch more interesting. So I just came up with some idea. So with simple ingredients what we have at home, so we can make it more wonderful, try something new. So I just got a baguette. So what I'm gonna do is toast with some smoked salmon and avocado, prawns, avocado and salmon, and avocado and spinach with some bit of variations and poached egg. Let's see how we're gonna do it. So for that I'm gonna take this bucket bread. I'm gonna cut into 6 slices. Slice the baguette and season them with salt and olive oil. 2, 3. Done. As we usually do, we just season them with salt and some olive oil. Salt to it. Yeah, olive oil. Applying oil before you toast the bread brings the bread to life, and sprinkle some thyme on top of it to get an extra fragrance. Get the pan up to the temperature, push the bread down to the pan. It definitely gives an extra smoky kick to the bread which you won't get in the toaster. Now spinach. In a hot pan, add olive oil, garlic, and drop in the clean washed spinach. You either use baby or large. In this case, I'm using a large one. It literally takes a minute to cook the spinach. Now add the seasoning and remove. Save it for later use. Now prawns. In the same pan, add a bit of olive oil, garlic and chili flakes for a bit of heat. I have already deveined and cleaned the prawns. Add in. Season them with salt and pepper. Now lemon zest and juice for a refreshing taste. Finally add the parsley and save it for later use. For the chorizo, in the same hot pan, add chorizo, garlic, basil and a bit of paprika and saute it for 2 minutes and you're good to go. In the meantime, I have kept the water boiling for the poached eggs with vinegar and salt added. Just create a vortex and drop in the egg and cook for 3 to 4 minutes and you are done. Once you remove from the water, place it in the damp clean cloth to remove the extra moisture. Assembling. I have already cut the avocado and de-seeded. Just slice them to arrange in the toasted baguette. You can still use a overripe one. Just mash and smear on top of the bread. A squeeze of lemon to the avocado will stop it from decoloring. Now arrange the toasted baguette. Place the cooked spinach and avocado in all the toast. And on top of it, 2 gets the chorizo, 2 goes with the shrimps and 3 gets the smoked salmon. Now go ahead and place the poached eggs alternatively, so you have one with egg and one without. And now go ahead and simply sprinkle some toasted walnuts to the shrimp, almonds to the smoked salmon and macadamia to the chorizo. There you have it, the most delicious, very simple breakfast toast. You can simply add some crumbed feta cheese or any cheese, and to take it more richer, drop in some hollandaise on top of the eggs. That's for me the most delicious, simple and light breakfast to start the day. The soft runny egg yolks is to die for. Feel free to add some seasoning. Please try it, like, share and comment our videos, and for regular updates please click the bell icon and join the journey by supporting us. Thank you for watching Kitchen Secrets with me Prasanna. See you until next time and enjoy cooking the kitchen secrets. You can make with a lot of breads, sour bread or country loaf, anything you like to have. Brioche, yeah, it's more fancy, but yes, why not?